Well, Autotrail was founded in 1982. We make a product which is predominantly an Autotrail product which is easily identified. There's plenty of them on the road. A number of manufacturers produce vehicles in the UK, and here at Europark at Grimsby, we produce around 25% of the motorhomes that are produced in the UK.
Here at the Europark Industrial Estate in Grimsby, this is where we have a purpose-built factory for the manufacture of the luxurious motorhomes by Autotrail. The first objective is to get the vehicle ready for preparation in order to complete the build of the vehicle. We'll fit all the chassis bearers, chassis extensions, underslung tanks, fresh water and wastewater. Once these processes have been complete, the vehicle will move down the production line. We will then fit the floor in place, which will have all the electrics fitted to the floor, 12 volt, 230, gas services, water services. The first stage during the conversion assembly, we'll take all the finished components from the cab shop, all the furniture will be delivered into the area and all screwed together. The way we build the conversion is quite unique to Autotrail. There's not many coach-built manufacturers building this style. We find it very efficient for ourselves. It allows the personnel to work in and around the vehicle at all times. As the vehicle has been screwed together, we'll then go and fit the sides to the vehicle, again, which can be done from the external and the internal of the vehicle. Once this has taken place, we'll then fit the roof inside the rigging area. The roof can then be fitted to the vehicle in a square manner, giving it a solid base to build from. Once this has taken place and all the wiring completed at high level, we can then pick the vehicle up as a complete unit using the crane system to carry across to the completed chassis. This is a unique process to Autotrail in building in these standards. We find it gives our team flexibility to work in and around the vehicle. It also makes us efficient in what we're doing with the team. It gives a lot of advantages to working as an offline assembly rather than an online production process. So if there are any issues within the vehicle being manufactured, we have time to react to these issues. After the vehicle has been loaded onto the chassis, it will then move forward into the electrical area and the skirts area. Now these two areas of the factory is where all the first fixed electrical installation will take place through 12 volt lighting, switching, to mains components, down to fuse spare and sockets, etc. After the vehicle has built through these stages, the exterior department will fit the first stage exterior components, as in skirts, interface legs, pods, the basic bottom half of the vehicle. In the gas and plumbing department, this is where we have a small team of guys that go inside the vehicle and they'll fit the boilers, the fires, the plumbing services for the vanity units, the bathrooms, basically making sure all blow air fittings and all plumbing fittings are being fitted. Once this area has been completed, we'll move into the testing department. Now in the testing area, we expect to do everything on the vehicle as the end user would love to find the vehicle. So we run everything up. We do pressure tests on the gas system and on the water system. We also then run them live, so there's gas run through the system to make sure everything strikes up and works correctly. We run water through the system to make sure that we get hot water, cold water through all the services. And we also check every other service on the vehicle. So everything is run up through 12 volt, 230 volt, exterior road lighting, exactly as the customer would expect to find their vehicle.
We have twin production lines, a heavy production line and a light production line. The vehicles take approximately the same time to go down the production line from start to finish. However, the materials and the technologies used in making motorhomes now is dramatically different to what was 10 or 15 years ago. In the area there were a number of crafted courses available at local colleges where apprentices could go and work and learn an apprenticeship in caravan/stroke motorhome technologies. Unfortunately, that's no longer the case. Things have moved on, and we have to rely more and more on computer-aided design, automated CNC machines, which you arrive at the same point, the same end, but you just go through a different process to achieve the product. We have a very skilled workforce. We have some people that have been working here for 25 years plus, and they've seen the change in technologies over the years where, say, motorhomes were literally hand-built and drawings were kept by each individual. Now all the drawings are held on a central server and distributed as each type of vehicle comes through onto the production line. But like any change, the people have to change, processes have to change, and we use their skills to enhance the product, because obviously the fit and finish of our vehicles is paramount, because not only of our reputation but also of the complexity and the cost of the vehicles, because our vehicles are some of the most expensive in the UK.